The association of
The inquiry getting off to another slow start. Its chairperson, Judge Ian Fallam, admits it still faces challenges. Lawyers for injured and arrested minors want their legal fees paid.
I was informed this morning by someone from the potential donor that the decision has not yet been made, but that it will definitely be made before the end of the week.
Judge Fallam says it won't be appropriate to continue matters in the light of commemorative events taking place this week. Aisha Fundi's husband, a security guard, was killed days before the clash between police and miners at Marikana.
I'm not going there because we are not invited. I don't know anything about that. I was never informed of going to any event. What I know is the Lord Mayor has got an event the whole week, Monday to Friday, commemorating all the fallen people, 44 people. I was invited on Tuesday because my husband died on the 12th.
This family lost a breadwinner who was a police officer.
It's very sad when I remember him. Really, it's traumatizing. We want closure. We want answers for what happened on that specific day.
In the last few weeks,
Lawyers representing police officers injured in the incident could also lock horns with the commission over funding.
Depending on the outcome, we have to review our participation in the commission as we don't have legal funding.
The delays have put the Commission's credibility into question. Judge Ian Fallam says despite the delays, a lot of work has been done already. The evidence heard and submissions made could run into 12,000 pages. He's vowed that when they resume on Monday, the process will move much quicker. Njanje Chauke, SABC News, Centurion.